Hey friend, hey, you're in for a treat because today I'm chiming in on the BoxyCharm Ipsy Better Together situation. I did get my first Ipsy bag. I never had an Ipsy bag before at all. I was only previously subscribed to BoxyCharm, and I also have this month's BoxyCharm for you. So if you want to see what I got and if I think it's worth it now that they're together, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
I'm going to go ahead and start with the April Ipsy Glam Bag. What is it called? I don't even know what it's called, y'all. The theme for April, I guess for BoxyCharm and Ipsy, is anything is possible. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. I've never had one before. Oh, and it's a cute little bag. It's adorable. It says look good, do good, and it says Ipsy right here on the, I don't know what this thing is called. And let's see what we're in here. If you don't know about Ipsy, it is a monthly subscription service where you get 5 like sample size items. And all of mine fit into this bag. First up, we have the Professional Good Cleanup Foaming Cleanser. Okay, I have one of their primers, I think. This is the this is by Benefit. Yeah, the Benefit Professional. Oh, and it's a foam. I love this. This is very good for like traveling if you're going somewhere. I'm not gonna open it because then I have to use it. I'm gonna save this for like when I have a guest or either I go somewhere. This is super duper cool. I'm not sure how much that retails for. It didn't come with the card, so that's different from BoxyCharm for me. Next up, we have the Shades of Sean, the gel eyeliner. Oh, and it says gel eyeliner, but I consider this to be more like a cream. And it's in the shade Brown Sugar. I don't have many brown eyeliner, so this is definitely going to get some use for me. Okay, what else do we have in the Ipsy bag? Next, we have the Hey Honey Come Clean Face Scrub. Okay, so this is like giving skincare so far. I dropped it. Giving skincare. Yeah. And these are all like sample sizes. Next, we have the I Am Beautiful Length Volume Mascara. I Am Beautiful. It's by Real Her. Let me open it if I can. I do not have a tribal. Oh, look at the wands. I love this. I feel like this would be perfect for like bottom falsies, like to really get in there because it's so tiny. You can really get all the individual strands. I love this. I think this is so cute that they're sample sizes. They fit into a bag. They're kind of meant for like on the go. Next, we have the Shayna B Miami Eyeshadow Duo. Okay, this is the packaging. Oh, so cute. I mean, I know this is a sample, but how much of a missed opportunity is it that this doesn't have a mirror right here? That would have been like perfect. Super cute. I love this shimmer. That's super cute. And yeah, that's everything I got in this month's Ipsy bag. I will say, to be quite honest, I love the bag the most. I am a sucker for cute little like travel types of things, so I'll definitely be using it. This Ipsy Glam Bag retails for $13 a month. Do I think the samples were worth $13 a month? No. But the bag. It's about the bag in this situation for me. So I love that. The items with the bag, yes, definitely worth $13 a month because I do think it's super cute. It's like a canvas quality, but this isn't about the bag. This is about the makeup. The items in here were just okay, in my opinion. BoxyCharm, we know for the base box retails for $27.99. You normally get 5 to 7 full-size items. That's the key difference, I think, between BoxyCharm and Ipsy. Ipsy is more so like sample size, trial size, and BoxyCharm is going to lean towards full-size items. So first up out of the box, I have the Oil Hendrix Bahana Bright Vitamin CC Stick. It's a Truth, Brightness, and Color Corrects. Oh, okay. So it's like for under the eyes. Why can't I get it open? Yeah. Nails are cute, but they can sometimes be hard to work with. Okay. This is what it looks like out of the package. Or out of the box. Oh, this is like a for under the eye. Okay. A very light shade, but I can probably work with it. It says instantly brighten and color correct your under eyes with this vegan unscented eye cream stick with enhanced vitamin C. It does smell good. It does definitely have an orange scent. Like it smells like orange. It smells good though. Okay, so that's item number 1. Item number 2, we have the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Recover Body Butter. Oh, I love a good body butter. Now I'm about to try this. Well, let me show y'all before I mess it up. I love a good body butter. It smells good too. It says vegan collagen, flour extract, essential lipids, antioxidants. Yeah, I love a good body butter. Oh yeah, and I like the way, like, some body butters can be too thick. This one isn't too thick, but it's still like moisturizing. I'm here for it. Next up, I have the Drunk Elephant Oh Blues Rosy Drops Fortifying Blush. What is it? Oh, this is a sample. It is a shake before you use. Dab a tiny bit of O Gloss onto cheeks or anywhere you would like to add a warm. Oh, this is a blush. I'm excited about that. You shake it and you spray it. Oh, you know I'm a sucker for like gimmicky things. I love a good gimmick. Give it to me. Hold on. I love a good gimmick. We don't have any makeup on today, but if it's a, oh yeah. You shake it, shaky. Let me get my mirror out. You know I'm gonna try it if it's gimmicky, okay? You shake it, shaky. It's just basically like a cream blush. This might be a little light for my melanated queens. I'm gonna just do it with my fingers. Well, that was anticlimactic. It doesn't have a scent to this one. Yeah, not really seeing the color payoff. I feel like I would have to put a lot of this to get anything on me. Yeah, like I would need a substantial amount. So that's a miss for me. Next up, we have the Ciate London Smiley Lip Mask 2-in-1 Everyday Balm and Mask. It's the cuteness for me. It has a little smile. I'm gonna get this to Lola. This also doesn't have a smile. Lola's gonna love this. She can like just carry this around in her purse or whatever. Super duper cute. I have one more thing from the BoxyCharm box. Next up, I have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Snap Shadows. And I feel like I have a bunch of these Snap Shadows at this point that I've gotten from various places. This one is the, this one is 6 Smoky. So it's like a smoky eye type of vibe. And it's definitely giving like dark, smoky, nighttime. Yeah, night out. And I'm here for it. I love the formula. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. I'm always here for Fenty Beauty though, because we stand Rihanna. But yeah, cute. I like these because I like anything that's small that I can like close up and put in my purse, mostly for the mirror. I will just go ahead and say right off the bat, the BoxyCharm box is definitely the clear winner for me. It is twice the price, so that makes sense that you would get like a better quality of items. But yeah, the Ipsy bag I only like for the bag. This is my first time ever getting the Ipsy bag, so I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. Did you already unbox your Ipsy bag? I know I waited to the last day of the month, but you know, if you know, you know. Check out the community tab and then you'll know what I've been going through. But anyways, let me know what you think. If you do want to subscribe to Ipsy or BoxyCharm, there is going to be an affiliate link down below. Make sure you click that thing, share, give me some commission, baby. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Wow.
30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight?